In this video, I am going to show you 5 AI tools for making $1,000 a day. People are making thousands of dollars using AI tools. Now, AI can write content, generate photos, creating website, or even creating videos. Using these features, people monetize AI generated content. So let's see which tools you can use to make money. Jasper AI tool that allow you to create a high quality content quickly and easily. With Jasper AI, you can generate articles, blog posts, and other written content in just a few minutes. The tool uses advanced natural language processing algorithm to ensure that the content is relevant and engaging to your audience. One of the great thing about Jasper AI is that it is incredible user friendly. The interface is great and easy to use. Even if you have no experience with AI or content creation, you simply enter a topic or keyword and the tool will generate a complete blog or article for you. Overall, Jasper AI is a powerful tool that can help you to create a high quality content quickly and easily. Whether you are looking to generate articles, blog posts, or other written content, Jasper AI is an excellent choice. To make money, you can start selling writing services or a freelancing platform like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and other platforms. Create a gig and start selling services. On Fiverr, lot of people doing this to make money. You can also start your blog using Jasper. It's generated SEO friendly and plagiarism free content that is not detected by AI detectors. Additionally, you can write books using Jasper and after writing book, publish it on Amazon KDP and promote it all over the world. Amazon promote your book and you can get sales from Amazon. Your book will publish worldwide. Second is Pictree. Using Pictree, you can start your own YouTube channel without needing to hire a video editor or scriptwriter. All you need is a Jasper AI and Pictree AI to create and publish your videos on YouTube. You can start multiple YouTube channels and automate them using AI tools. To make a video, simply go to the Jasper or ChatGPT and paste your idea, then ask for a YouTube script. It will start generating your script. After that, copy the script and go to the picture AI. Click on the text to video, paste the script and title. Then click proceed. You can choose any template you want and click to the YouTube icon. Then click proceed. It will generate a YouTube video with voice, caption, stock footages and transition. Then you can see the dashboard for editing the video as you want. After the process is done, you can export the video in your PC and publish it on YouTube. Third is Notion AI. Notion is a platform for productivity and management that is launching its own AI system. This AI system will be useful for individuals looking to write or take notes as well as productivity. Similar to ChatGPT, you can write what you want and the AI produce content in words. Every solopreneur or entrepreneur could benefit from this tool for managing their work or life. One way to make money with Notion is by creating and selling templates on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. For example, Passio, who has 63,000 followers on Twitter, create templates on Notion and sell them as a one-person business. Fourth is Postwise. Postwise AI is an powerful tool for Twitter automation and growth. With Postwise AI, you can easily generate viral threads and schedule them to go live at the optimal time for your audience. This tool is incredibly user friendly and initiative. Even if you have no experience with the social media marketing or automation, one of the great things about Postwise AI is that it can help you to grow your audience quickly and easily by creating viral threads and scheduling them to go live at the best time for your audience. You can attract new followers and engage with your existing ones. This can lead to increased visibility for your brand and more opportunities for sales and growth. For making money, you can use this tool as a social media manager for Twitter. Many people are looking for managers to handle their Twitter account, and you can become a manager and start using this tool. You can work more efficiently in less time and also attract more clients. The second way to make money is by starting affiliate marketing on Twitter. Twitter has experienced significant growth and has the potential for your content to go viral at any time, making it an ideal platform to reach a target audience. To get started, you can create a multiple Twitter profiles and use a content creation tool like Postwise to create a compelling content. Then you can schedule your post and create a landing page to collect emails. Once you have built up an email list, you can send promotional emails to sell affiliate products. Comment if you want a full video on Twitter affiliate marketing blueprint. Use the system.io. It's a free tool for making funnels and email automations. Link in the description. Fifth and last, Midjourney. In Midjourney, user can provide input to the AI system by feeding it with specific parameters or data, such as a color, shapes, or themes. It generates an images based on this input, creating something that has never existed before. The image produced by Midjourney AI system can be incredibly complex and detailed, ranging from abstract shapes and patterns to realistic portrait and landscape. Overall, Midjourney Discord server is an excellent platform for anyone interested in AI generated art and creative possibilities of the technology. How you can make money from it? While it's technically possible to generate images using AI and sell them as a poster, it's an important to note that intellectual property rights of the images need to be considered. If the AI generated images can be created using pre-existing artwork or images, it may be necessary to obtain permissions or a license to use them for a commercial purpose. However, if the AI generated images are completely original, then there may be no issue with selling them as a poster or other merchandise. If you are deciding to go ahead with selling posters, one option is to register your store on a platform like Etsy, which is an online marketplace that specializes in handmade, vintage and unique items. You can create a store and list your AI generated posters for scale along with any other product you may want to offer. Create a poster. You can use a high quality images printing services that specialize in large format prints. Many online print on demand services like Printful, Printify, it allow you to create and print your design onto poster which you can then sell in your Etsy store. You can also look into local printing services in your area, but it's important to compare price. To expand your business further, you can also consider selling your AI generated design on other products like sticker, t-shirt, cups and other merchandise. You can use the same approach of registering your store on Etsy and using print on demand services to create and sell those products. These are 5 AI tools you can use to make money. I gave all the links in the description. If you see any benefits in this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content.